In this video, I'll guide you through how to change the background image in Webflow. Whether you're updating your site's look or just trying something new, changing the background can give your website a fresh and appealing appearance. Let's dive right in. To start, you'll want to open your preferred web browser and head over to Webflow's official website. Simply type in webflow.com in the address bar and hit enter. Once the page loads, log into your account. If you don't have an account yet, you'll need to create one to proceed with these steps. Webflow offers a user-friendly interface, so navigating through it should be straightforward. Now that you're logged in, you'll be directed to your dashboard, which displays all your existing projects. Here, you'll need to select the site you wish to edit. Carefully browse through your projects, and once you find the right one, click on it. This will take you directly to the Webflow Designer, where the magic happens. The Designer is where you can make all sorts of changes to your site, from layout adjustments to style tweaks. Within the Webflow Designer, locate the section of your site where you want to change the background image. Click on that specific section to highlight it. This is a crucial step because you want to ensure you're editing the correct part of your site. Once you've selected the right section, you'll notice a panel on the right side of the screen. This is the Style panel where you can adjust various styling options. In the Style panel, look for the background settings. You should see an option that displays your current background image. Click on this current image to open the background image settings. Here, you'll find the option to replace the image. It's usually labeled clearly, so it should be easy to spot. Click on Replace Image, and a new window will pop up, allowing you to choose a new image from your computer or Webflow's Asset Manager. If you have a specific image in mind, make sure it's saved on your computer for easy access. Alternatively, you can use images you've previously uploaded to Webflow, which will be stored in the Asset Manager. Once you've selected your desired image, click Open or Choose depending on your operating system. Your new image will now replace the old one in the background of your selected section. Take a moment to review how it looks. You can adjust the image's position, size, or repeat settings if necessary to ensure it fits perfectly within your design. The Style panel provides options for these adjustments, allowing you to fine-tune the appearance to your liking. Finally, don't forget to save your changes. You can do this by clicking on the Publish button at the top right corner of the Designer. This action will update your live site with a new background image. Always double-check your site after publishing to ensure everything looks as expected. And there you have it. Changing the background image in Webflow is a simple process that can significantly enhance the visual appeal of your website. With just a few clicks, you can keep your site looking fresh and engaging. Thanks for watching, and be sure to check out more of our tutorials for additional tips and tricks on optimizing your Webflow experience.